At a time of worsening ties between China and Australia, a heavily guarded Beijing court holds a closed-door trial of an Australian blogger. The Australian ambassador to China has been denied access to the Australian national held for over 2 years on espionage charges. Ambassador Graham Fletcher was turned away from the courtroom when he arrived before the trial.
Well, unfortunately, we've just been denied entry to the court. The reason given was because of the pandemic situation, but the Foreign Ministry has also told us that it's because it's a national security case, therefore we're not permitted to attend the trial. This is deeply regrettable and concerning and unsatisfactory.
Beijing has defended holding the trial of Yang Hengjun in secret and has even criticized Australia over quote-unquote interference.
Australian citizen Yang Hengjun's case involves state secrets and is not held in open court in accordance with the law, with no arrangements for observers to sit in. This is entirely lawful and reasonable. China firmly opposes Australia's unreasonable interference with its handling of cases in accordance with the law, as well as its gross interference in China's judicial sovereignty. China has lodged solemn representations with Australia.
Chinese-born Yang Hengjun is one of 2 high-profile Australians detained in China on charges of spying. Yang was detained on a rare return to China in January 2019. Beijing has outlined almost no details of the case against him since he was taken into custody. In October last year, the Foreign Ministry confirmed that charges of espionage had been filed against Yang, and the case has been accepted by the court. No other details on the case has been revealed yet. China's judicial system convicts most people who stand trial, and espionage charges can carry a sentence of life in prison. Beijing has insisted that Yang's rights are being respected and accused Australia of interfering in a Chinese legal system. Diplomatic relations between the 2 countries have deteriorated sharply in recent years, from banning Huawei in Australia to China imposing tariffs and cutting off diplomatic channels. Both nations have also accused each other of harassing citizens as a way of leverage in their disputes. Another Australian, TV anchor Chang Li, has been held in China since August of last year. Chang was detained on accusations of, quote, supplying state secrets overseas. And Beijing has accused Canberra of raiding the homes of Chinese state media journalists as Australia investigates an alleged campaign of covert influence.